Guys, ayan si Abby nagloloto ng stick. Nagluluto si Abby guys. Ayan na. Ang sarap ng stick ni Abby. T-bone stick. Yan ang T-bone stick ni Abby guys. Hindi pa luto. Chichik na niya yung temperature daw. Ayan guys. Kinichik ni Abby yan. Yan. Not yet? What is the temperature if done, honey?
140.
140, so not yet done. 140 guys, when done. So not yet. 112 only. Now it's 112, so not yet cooked.
She'll cook when you take it off. It'll cook 5 more degrees.
Oh, so hintayin
So
natin, hintayin natin.
135 is good.
135? Okay. 135 daw is good. But when fully cooked is 140. Pero si Habi, gusto niya yung ano, medium. Medium. So 135. 135. Medium. Sinira na naman. Ayan guys. Hintayin natin di pa luto. What happened, hon?
Then you look at the water tower. I take my drone up there.
Drone. Drone. Yan, maraming ano si Habi. Drone. Gusto daw niya ipalipad. So, ayan. Nakikita natin yung apoy. Ayan na guys. Ayan. So, ayan na. Ayan. Titingnan niya ang Habi uli. 135 is fine. Now is 110. 140 yung fully cooked. Pero gusto ni Habi yung medium. 135. That's it.
That's done.
Done?
Yeah.
Yan, done daw, Habi. Done! Ay. Okay, it's done. It's done. Yan na guys. Woo! So yummy. Yummy, yummy. Ayan na. Yan na guys. Thank you for watching our video guys. See you in my next vlog. Bye bye. Love you.